I mean, look at that. That's pretty damn good, right? Guys, welcome back to Follow the Farang. I did an Emsphere video a while back, and I had quite a few people message me on Instagram saying, can you do another one? Can you tell us which places are the best ones to eat at? Which are the ones to avoid? So I've decided I'm going to do a top 5 and a couple of like maybes if it's a particular dish that you like. It's going to be a quick video, maybe 1 minute on each place. Okay, so the first recommendation has to be Max Noodle. These guys are absolutely legendary in Hong Kong. I was eating their wonton noodles 15 years ago. It's just one of those perfect things that's just easy to do, can be moved anywhere. They do it so well here. They do it well everywhere. It's just a simple, easy, hungry, come get Max Noodle. Easy, easy, easy in the top 5. I was doing a list of places of where not to eat. Okay, so I'm going to throw this one in there now. Brassica Donuts. It's kind of a bit of fun. It's a donut shop, but they do a couple of really interesting and fun things, and one of those is the Brassica burger. And it's a chicken burger with mentaiko on it. It's just one of those things that's just really delicious. It's like if you just don't want to be serious, and this is kind of what's great about this mall. You just can come in and just grab some food, and it doesn't have to be a big event. You don't need to make a video about it. These guys air fry their chicken. It comes out super crispy. It's delicious. It's just one of those things where you go, you know what, fuck it, I want a chicken burger. And you come to Brassica. Easy as that. Okay, so some homegrown talent. These guys started off small. They've just got a really great reputation. They are a cow gang, which means that everything's kind of pre-prepared, constantly topped up. And you can see they have so many dishes, and they're all pretty good. I mean, this is one of those spots that you would just come to, again, if you just want to eat and have something that's like made well. It's a really, really great choice for Emsphere, I think. It just kind of perfectly works. Look at some of these curries, look, they're just super delicious. You know, I mean, you're in a mall, rice with a side dish, 135. It's not the worst, just about £3 or £4 for like a decent serving. Yeah, definitely in the top 5 without a doubt. Great choices on the menu. Look, southern crab meat curry. I mean, £4 for that. Look, of course, all day long. And the southern style spicy fish soup, which is going to be gang som, I imagine. Like 100% one of my favourite dishes. Easy choice. Rice and Thai curry. What more do you want? Okay, so this one's going to be a bit of a surprise, I guess. But panetti pizza. Definitely one of the top 5 places here. I know you're probably surprised that I've chosen Western food, but it's just the attention to detail that they have here. Their toppings are great, and the way they just kind of constantly move these pizzas around, they stop them from staying raw on the bottom. They get like a really good crisp on the crusts, and like, they just do it really well. So yeah, in the top 5 places to eat at in the Emsphere, panetti pizza. I mean, look at that. That's pretty damn good, right? Okay, so it was probably an easy choice. Probably one of the easiest choices I've ever done. My number 1, easily in Emsphere. The food here is absolutely great. Restaurant quality. It is restaurant price, and they do have a big restaurant. And so this is kind of a feeder into the big restaurant. Come here, try it. Try a couple of dishes, and then you can just move on to the actual restaurant if you enjoy it. Both the chefs here are solid, like the som tam is just unreal. I'm actually going to have lunch here today now that I've seen it. Yeah, Zhao Sen, the best number 1 in Emsphere. Make sure it's on your list. Okay, so that is the top 5 places in the Emsphere. Do subscribe. I'm going to be doing Paragon. I've done the M Quarter already. I just need to edit and upload. Honestly, the malls at the moment are on fire. They are so good. The food's amazing. Loads of happy vibes going on. Kids' days, entertainment. They're really going all out. So make sure you subscribe. And also, I'll be telling you about a few street food places that are closed down. So if you're looking at everybody's lists, half those places might not even be there anymore. So subscribe, add a like if you want. If you want, this was my most requested place so far. If you want something requested and you want me to go and walk around and show you what it's like, let me know in the comments. I'm going to do whatever people want. Whatever you want to see, I'm happy to do it. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow the Farang.